Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to tell you about one photography competition. This competition is arranged by Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants or CIMAP situated in Lucknow. Let's know more about this competition. Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants, Lucknow have announced photography competition on medicinal and aromatic plants. The theme for this competition is Know Your Medicinal and Aromatic Plants. Through this competition, CIMAP also wants to convey the message for conservation of these medicinal plants. Now see about the prize for winners. The winners will receive cash rewards of Rs 5,000, 3,000 and 2,000 for first, second and third prizes respectively. In addition, there will be consolation prizes of Rs 1,000 each for another 10 entries. This competition is open to all Indian amateur and professional photographers. Now let's see how to participate in this competition. You can submit 3 photographs. You have to email these images on official email ID of CIMAP, that is at email pc@cimap.res.in. The last date of submission of the entries is June 30, 2020. Now see some rules and conditions requested by CIMAP for this competition. In this competition, indigenous plants will be preferred and the institute has requested to avoid images of very common horticultural and ornamental plants. Each photograph should have correct Latin and vernacular name of the plant and its medicinal and aromatic importance in about 20 to 30 words. Only the original digital images will be accepted, but entries have to accompany with color prints printed on an A4 page and unmounted. Digital image entries must not be less than 3 MB size with minimum resolution of 300 dpi. The images should be in JPEG or TIFF format and the display resolution should be 1086 x 768. The raw image files might be asked for a later date if screened for awards. The participant has to make a self-declaration that the images have been shot by the person sending the mail for gaining entry into the competition. The winner will be chosen by judges nominated by the director, CSIR, CIMAP Lucknow. The decision of the judges will be final. The winners will be announced on the annual day of CSIR CIMAP. For further details of the competition, one can visit www.cimap.res.in. It is the official website of CIMAP. The link for PDF of official notification and other related links are given in the video description. Thank you friends for watching our video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for such more updates and agri exams related stuffs. Thank you once again and goodbye.